21 and 10 at 22. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. I ain't nothing like you. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. You don't do what I do. I'm the living truth, the living proof. You could be whatever. Never wanted fame, I wanted racks. Always wanted cheddar. You could try and steal my swag, but I'ma always do it better. Never let them tell you never. I've been so locked in, I'm on the grind. I could do this forever. I'ma speak the truth, I ain't gon' never lie to you. The ones that say you can't, they ain't never tried to. Until you getting money, they don't never like you. And the hate don't get the best of me, but sometimes.
Got the Fox Racing helmet on, and I have a DJI mic, which I got yesterday, but last week for you guys because this is a different week. So, got the helmet, and I'm gonna get goggles within maybe a week or two, I'd say. And I'm just gonna ride around, see how the helmet fits. I do have to return it tomorrow. It is a size down, but I'm just gonna ride around and yeah. So let's get to it.
At 21 and 10 at 22. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. I ain't nothing like you. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. You don't do what I do. I'm the living truth, the living proof. You could be whatever. Never wanted fame, I wanted racks. Always wanted cheddar. You could try and steal my swag, but I'ma always do it better. Never let them tell you never. I've been so locked in, I'm on the grind. I could do this forever. I'ma speak the truth, I ain't gon' never lie to you. The ones that say you can't, they ain't never tried to. Until you getting money, they don't never like you. And the hate don't get the best of me, but sometimes life do.
400? No, it's $45 mic. Alright guys, so we're exploring abandoned places. Alright guys, so we're basically at the tree line of where the mansion is at. So I'll try to zoom in on it. So what's this? We have to go. Whoa.
Scary AF.
I know.
The wallpaper.
What is that?
It's trees. The OG floor.
Here, wait, let's go towards the back.
Why did I think that was a washer machine?
Wait. Yeah, it says security link. Bullshit.
I get to see a camera.
Well, there could be sensors. Wait, yeah, there's power to the house.
Power?
Yeah.
You're
I'll go.
Oh, I'll ruin your. Go right now.
No. Alright guys, we have I don't know. This is that's kinda inappropriate. Who else is here? Me, of course. Going on 25. Why? I don't know.
Under a highway.
Wait.
There's nothing over there.
2024 update. Trying to get with my crush. She might like me. I'm sliding. I don't know. Boss. Step 2. Get invited to sleep over. Step 3. Tell her I'm not gay.
Well, I kind of am gay.
Oh.
Slide.
Slide?
Yeah. Yo, this is strange.
I'm just taking like small steps.
Uh-oh, holy.
It's like loose dirt.
Yeah, which makes it.
I'm horny.
Yo, wait, and that
Yeah, and it says me too.
How dumb are you? Take it down.
No, cause
Yo, okay, this is steep.
this one is.
Holy.
Ugh.
Ugh, ugh. How am I gonna get down here?
Oh, is there a hole? Is it my hole? I don't know.
Is that a bee's nest? I can touch it.
I think they saw us up here.
Oh shoot. I'm getting down. How? Yo, I'm scared.
Oh shoot,
I'm scared.
this is steep.
I know. Yo, you're sliding.
I know. Sliding on purpose. Shoot.
Yo, holy. Oh god. Oh god.
How do I get? I think I'm going the safest way.
Oh my god. There's no way.
You're still up there?
Yo, it's dead. I don't have $200 shoes.
Just take the rocks.
Rocks?
Yeah, to your right. Yeah. Oh no! Fuck! I exploded a ketchup packet.
Wait. God, W.
No.
Wait.
No. We're gonna go 40 miles per hour. So, we're gonna do that. It's gonna be fun. There's no way that I know for a fact that's us. No. What? Maybe 32, 35? Oh, that sucks.
Move my body back and forth.
Holy shit!
Move my body
33!
back and forth. Move my
I
body
didn't even do
back and
anything.
forth. Move my body back
Holy
and
shit!
forth. Move my body back and 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 forth. Move my body.
Alright, so it's like right up here.
From my arm.
Are you counting this time? You said not yet?
happened here was I turned my head to saying something to Velitron. My AirPod falls out of my ear, and there's a car behind us, and it runs over it. So if you guys want, I'll link my Patreon in the link in the description down below. Please donate. Alright guys, so here I have my first 2 energy drinks. And yeah.
La noche